If you're wondering if you can clean your Tikom L8000 with water, first of all, you shouldn't clean any part of your robot with the running water. It is not, I wouldn't recommend using water on anything, as you can easily clean this device without help of a water. So when it comes to the main brush right here, just remove it, and then when it's removed, you can use a towel or your hand, and when you're above some dustbin, just slide it in like that. If you use water, then the dust will run inside the beginnings of each brush, and then it will become very stale. So I don't recommend to use water on that. Now we can let me put my brush back in, and then we can move to other things. So next part is sensors. There's 1, 2, 3, 3 sensors, 1, 2, 3, and then one in the front. I wouldn't recommend using any substances except one substance, which is the LCD cleaner. Any substance that uses alcohol may break off the paint or something like that, so just use something like LCD cleaner to clean those sensors. Now let's go for our dustbin. So here there's a few parts. So we have a water tank, which is pretty hard to clean even if you want. So you can just put some water there, shake it, and then just pour out the residue. Then there's a HEPA filter right here. So if we open it, there's a HEPA, as you can see. And to clean it, also do not put any water on it. It will damage the HEPA filter and you won't be able to use it anymore. Instead, you can just hit the HEPA filter above the trash so all of the dust comes off. And you can also use the brush that comes along with this device to clean any residue in the gaps. Then there's a dustbin itself. So here I wouldn't recommend using running water on it. Instead, you can grab a paper towel that is wet, not soaking wet, but wet, and then try to just maneuver your hand inside to clean all of the dust. You don't need to do it every time you clean your device, but sometimes it would be nice. And that is basically everything that is meant to be cleaned for this device, and that is basically everything for this video. So thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.